I'm Colleen. I'm one of the vet techs here at Pat Veterinary Hospital. Today on Pat Vet U, we're going to be cleaning Cecil's ears here, some cat ear cleaning. So to start, I'm just going to use some ear cleaner here and apply it to his ear down in his canal. Come here, bud. It's okay. Fill it up and then you just massage the base here. Kind of hear a squishy sound. You wipe it out with cotton ball. We don't really recommend using a Q-tip because if you go too deep, you can cause some damage, but just wipe it on out. Get it a clean one. And if you have to do it again, you can definitely apply the solution again and wipe it out again and allow your cat to shake his head in between to bring up some more debris. You're being very good, bud. No, you gotta shake it. All right. Wipe it on out. It looks pretty good. There you go. It's important to clean your cat's ears if there's excess wax or dirt in their ear to remove that so that they don't get an infection. And some signs that they might be having an issue is if they're scratching at their ears or if they're shaking their head. You might want to bring them into the vet office to get their ears checked out for possible ear mites or infection, such as a yeast infection or a bacterial infection. So give us a call if there's any issues.